Hi everyone, it's Miss Sarah and I'm going to read you another Arctic animal story. But first, let's go over our rules. Rule number 1, eyes are watching. Rule number 2, ears are listening. Turn them on. Rule number 3, voices are quiet. Rule number 4, body is calm. All right. So our story today is who lives here? Polar animals. It's a white fox like we made the craft with. We made a craft of a white fox on Tuesday. All right, let's see. This is a walrus like the craft that we made on Monday. These are all different kinds of animals. What is a polar region? A polar region is a very cold place. For most of the year, thick snow and ice cover the ground. Oceans freeze and fierce winds blow. The Arctic and Antarctica are polar regions. The Arctic is home to many amazing creatures. Like all polar animals, their bodies are built for living in the cold. Look. So we have, let me turn this again. We have the polar bear. We have a walrus. We have the snow owl, the seal, and some penguins. Let's see what else. The emperor penguin lives in chilly Antarctica. These penguins are taller than a kitchen table. Are you taller than a kitchen table? I bet they're the size of you right now. A mother and father emperor penguin takes turns looking after their babies. The chick sits on their parents' feet up off the icy cold. So penguins like it cold. Penguins. The Arctic fox. The Arctic fox's fur is the warmest of any animal. I didn't know that. The white color blends in with the snow and helps the fox hide from the snow owls and other enemies or other animals. The Arctic fox lives in the cold, just like the penguins. Seals. The seal is an excellent swimmer. Seals have smooth bodies that glide easily through the polar oceans. Some seals live under the ice for most of the year. In spring, a mother gives birth on the ice but quickly returns to the sea with her pup. Oh, so seals live underwater and only come up to give birth or to have children. They only come up to the ice to have children and they soon go down into the water with their baby. All right, what else do we have? The snowy owl. The snowy owl is a fierce hunter. These owls perch on rocks and hills on the tundra to watch their prey. Swoosh! With big wings outstretched, a snowy owl scoops down on looming birds, herons, and other small animals. Oh, the snowy owls eats other animals. Ooh. Oh, so he must be fast. The musk ox. The musk ox has a long, shaggy fur to keep it warm. The musk oxen live on the tundra in big groups. So they live off the land in big groups called herds. Hmm, a baby musk ox stays close to its mother to keep snug and warm until its own long fur grows in. So the musk ox likes cold weather too, and they live on the land. The beluga whale. The beluga whale swims in the icy Arctic Ocean. Belugas eat fish and other creatures that live in the water. The beluga lives in groups called a pod. The whales in a pod talk to each other using sounds such as chirps, whistles, and squeals. The beluga whale can talk underwater. Oh my gosh! The polar bear. The polar bear is a powerful hunter. Polar bears prowl over the packed ice, swim in the ocean, and hunting for seals. Polar bear cubs are born in a snowy den. When they are old enough, their mother teaches them how to hunt and stay safe. Polar bears live off the cold land too. Walrus. The walrus is a large animal with long teeth called tusks. Walruses live in the freezing polar waters near the packed ice. Walruses spend most of their time in the chilly ocean, but climb on the ice or rock shores to rest and give birth to their babies. So, what? Oh, like the seals. They live underwater and only come up to rest and to have babies. Then I bet they go back under. Caribou or deer. The caribou is a type of deer that love the cold. The caribou is a fast runner. Each spring, huge herds of caribou or deer cross the land and rivers to find new plants to eat. A mother caribou deer gives birth to her baby on the long journey. The calf or baby is ready to run just a few hours after being born. That's it, friends. I hope you liked your story. Until next time, bye.